It is very clear that in the last few years, we see all the signs that our sages in prophecies in the holy books gave us, that we're going closer and closer to the redemption. With those prophecies come a lot of negative prophecies. Gog u'Magog, destruction, and many other bad prophecies that many choose to ignore or afraid or don't know what to do. That's going to be our fate. That's how Mashiach is going to come, with all the negative prophecies that we find in the holy books. And then the good news is that there's also many positive prophecies. There are many positive things that happen on the path of the redemption, and I want to invite you to a powerful lecture Wednesday, February 4th in Los Angeles, in Encino. And in this lecture, I'm going to be discussing from the Holy Book of Zohar many powerful prophecies that are waiting for us. And all we need to do is hold strong till these prophecies fulfill. But I'm going to discuss the difference between the good and the bad prophecies, what is waiting for us, where are we holding on the redemption timeline, and much, much more. I highly recommend to you to join the lecture February 4th, Wednesday in Encino. Be'ezrat Hashem, I will see you there. Don't miss out.